What is going on, guys? So if you guys are new to the channel, my name's Chris and I'm going to give you guys a little bit of update on what's been going on with my 300ZX. Basically, at the beginning of this video, I finally got the threads fixed on where the starter went. Footage is actually filmed back in March. It's like a week before I had to move.
I gotta make sure I'm centered in it. Let me actually try it, see if this will even go in it. Because you might have stripped it so bad that that might not even be at this size. And it might already be bigger. Yeah, see. Fuck, you sure those are the 10 by 125s?
Yeah. Maybe I return the Healy coil kit and just get 2 bigger bolts and drill out the starter, because that's what I did when I first got this car.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
What do you mean? You drilled these out to a bigger bolt?
Well, yeah, because when I got the starter,
So hold on. You already made them bigger?
I didn't make it bigger.
Yeah, but the holes in the starter are bigger. You didn't change the threads.
Yeah, I didn't change the threads.
Okay. Fuck. I was like, dude, these are not 10 by 125 anymore. But
Yeah.
I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying. You're chilling. But no, because you don't want to. I mean, you could, yeah, but 10 by 125 is already a big ass fucking bolt.
Just gotta plug that little baby thing in. Should be good to go. Damn, fool.
I'm trying to take this fucking styrofoam off.
I'll worry about the battery real quick.
Can we install this though too?
Huh?
We install this too.
Oh yeah, the ground. Yeah.
You get new shit without that.
Yeah, it won't work at all without that. I'm out of. No, I didn't. Might be out of gas. Hell yeah. Try again. Yeah, it's not a gas. Oh yeah, I forgot the cats are clogged on this thing, so that's why I wasn't breathing. Yeah, I'm so happy right now. Sweet. All right, hopefully. No gas. Yeah. My God, I haven't heard this thing idle in a really long time. Finally making some progress on this thing. Thank you so much, dude. See you soon. Sorry, this is a little bit all over the place, but next footage you guys are about to see is my junkyard trips on 2 different occasions. The first clip was probably a week after the car landed in the junkyard, and you guys are about to see that right now. Right now, I'm at the junkyard. As you can see, this thing got some goodies. So, plan for today is to take off a couple things from this car. I already took off the driver's side quarter glass window trim piece, and then right now I took the fender off. Don't see these too often. This is a sapphire blue twin turbo 300ZX. It's manual too. Has like the Stillen rear bumper. That comes like that from the factory. Has these different side skirts. I'm not sure, it looked like off-brand. Came with clear corner lights. Has the Stillen front lip too. And yeah, this is a the twin turbo right here. I think these are a 3-piece. I'm not really sure, but they're True Heart. No, they're Racing Heart tracer wheels. So these are 17, I think 17 by 9, 17 by 10. Yeah, cool find at the junkyard. So as you guys saw, there's a lot of cool stuff on that twin turbo car. A lot of stuff that I really wanted to take, but I just really had no use for it. Just came to grab a few little things for my Z, like the radiator overflow. I got a Brake Master cylinder cap. These are like the little plastic pieces that go into your door handle, and then these clips are for the bumper where your fog lights go. Could grab those. Also wanted to see if this thing had any aftermarket suspension on it. I was gonna grab the rear bumper, but they wanted a little too much than I wanted to pay, so passed on that. But as you can see, the side skirts on there. Bumper's gone, but grabbed a couple little things, and I'm gonna go back to my house and I'll give you guys a little update on the Z. Basically, after we got the Healy coil fixed, next thing I needed to do was get the cats cut off because they've been clogged. I've been driving around with them clogged for about 3 years or so now, and it was actually getting really bad to the point where I would floor it and I would literally go nowhere. It was really bad. I was able to find somebody to cut off my cats, fully straight pipe it. I actually kind of regret it just because it sounds a little bit more raspy than I like it. I'm actually gonna be taking it to the same guy and getting some resonators put on it, and drives a lot better than it did. And also I think I'm gonna go back to dual. Let me know what you guys think. I'm on single exit right now. It's a 2.5, like I think it's a 3-inch muffler, 2.5 inlet and 3-inch outlet. Once I got the cats cut off, I've been driving it around, took it to Cars and Coffee. Still drives pretty good and everything. I don't know if you guys can hear that or see that, but busted up in airlines. You guys can see that, I think, a little bit better. Sun's gonna fuck me right now, but car still drives okay. I definitely need to figure out what's going on with this. Like, I think I have like a fuel leak somewhere because it smells like freaking gas in my cabin like crazy. It's definitely a lot better ever since I got the cats cut off, because before I would drive 5 minutes and my head would be pounding. I would have such wicked dreams and everything. But yeah, definitely need to figure out why the hell it smells like gas every time I drive. Fuck. I think that's power steering, I'm not sure. But yeah, I need to fix my front driver's side airline. I ordered some new airlines, so I'm gonna be redoing that. I'm gonna do another whole video on me redoing the system. But when I ran the airlines, I ran it underneath where the brake lines go, and I came up here, and my airline's actually right here. You guys probably can't see that, but it's right where my wheel is, which is a terrible place. I would recommend going all the way under where your spare tire goes and just run it under there. Because what I did is I just drilled out holes where my above the strut towers and ran it through there. And I wouldn't recommend that to anybody ever. Either run your airlines underneath the car where the brake lines go and go through the spare tire well, or run it inside the car and like run it through the floorboards and stuff. So if you guys haven't been following that much, this is a 1990 300ZX. Starting from the front, we have the Mission front bumper. I got this from My Direct Japan. They're based out of SoCal, and it was like a 3-month wait. They emailed me as soon as they arrived, and I had my buddy pick it up for me from the warehouse, so I saved a little bit of money on shipping. But yeah, I definitely recommend My Direct Japan if you guys are looking for this Mission front bumper, or any. They have a bunch of Japan parts on their website, like AppFlug and I think Escort too. And moving down, we have the genuine Ganador mirrors. Have the Ionic Dynamic side skirts. So these side skirts are really nice. They're just but yeah, moves with the body line is really nice. And then moving up, we have another Ionic Dynamic roof spoiler, and I ended up patching the rear wiper nozzle, where I think there's like a nozzle that goes right here. I patched the hole so it looks a little bit cleaner. And moving back, Wind Factory CSL-R spoiler. So this is basically based off the BMW CSL trunks. Has that nice lip to it, nice and subtle looking. We also have the Wind Factory diffuser too. So back when I got this, I just did like a shitty half-ass like spray paint job, so it's not the best, but I'm gonna be redoing it here soon. And bolts up where the exhaust hangers go, and yeah, super easy to install this thing. Also, I have the Ionic Dynamic mud guards too, so these extend the bumper a little bit. Comes up right there, nice looking with the diffuser. Yeah, I highly recommend you guys checking out Ionic Dynamics. Pretty much all the arms are stock. I have some arms coming for this car. Brakes are stock. Totally forgot to mention, the car's still naturally aspirated, but I do have plans on doing that single turbo kit from Merlin Machining. I know it's in the final stages of production, so whenever that kit comes out, we're going to be ordering that and doing an NAT on the 300ZX. We got the Lambo door hinges. So I got these off Facebook Marketplace. They definitely have to be, I think they have to be the Lambo doors for you, or the vertical door kit. I'm not too sure, but I got it for like $300. So that's why I'm kind of guessing they might be the Lambo doors for you. We have the Nardi 350 deep corn wheel, NRG shore hub, and this is a Club Street Hate tilt up hub. It's kind of like the Works Bell, but it's a little bit cheaper. If you guys are looking for a tilt up hub, Club Street Hate, I definitely recommend them. And what else? Oh, we have the Garage Moon Power mats, Thrash Racing, I think it's a Circuit B. I got a grip. This is a Grip Rad, a shift knob. My buddy Andrew and Matthew, they own Grip Rad. They make a bunch of custom shift knobs. I'll definitely recommend hitting them up if you guys need anything custom. I like this just because it's nice and subtle. It's actually perfect height for, like, I guess just resting your hand. So if you rest your hand, if you notice my fingers are right below, like right above the bottom of the shift knob, which is really nice. Decent weight to it too. And Moon Eyes, dice, Broadway mirror. I think that's it for the front, and show you guys the rear. Viair 444 is like the older compressor, and a 5-gallon tank. I think I'm running 1/4 inch Airlines. This is a lower bar and then an X bar, and it bolts straight into the A pillar. I mean the C pillar, sorry. And it actually gives it a lot more strength, just because with these T-top cars, they flex a lot. For the X bar, it's a Miracle. That's Next is the brand. Next Miracle crossbar. I got this like 4 years ago off eBay, but I know it's like a really JDM type brand. Look, just they make 2 versions of this. This is a I think 31 and 32 millimeter. So this is a 31 millimeter. 32 millimeter is gonna be a little bit thicker and have welds right here as well. Definitely need to remove the tint so you can see it from the outside, but yeah, I'm far from done working on the Z. I have so many plans for this car. Just like any other project car, there's really no ending to it. I don't plan on getting rid of this car ever in my life. Hopefully I can just keep it running and driving for the rest of my life. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys are new, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.